Hello, my name is Michael Toffolo, and I'm the principal investigator of a research project funded by the European Research Council. The title of the project is PalaeoEcology and OPen-LandscapE Adaptations of Pleistocene Humans in South Africa. And the aim of this project is to understand whether the availability of fresh water exerted a selective pressure on the evolution of Homo sapiens, our own species, in the interior of South Africa. So what I'm gonna do is to look for archaeological sites in the interior part of South Africa, in the province called Free State, and study whatever we find there. But also I will look at the paleo environment, so how the environments in the interior evolved through time and how they were affected by climate change during the Pleistocene. So the period, in this case, the Middle Pleistocene, so started from 300,000 years ago until more or less 30,000 years ago. So part of the Middle Pleistocene and the Late Pleistocene. This is very important because one of the major questions we have about the prehistory of Africa and the evolution of our own species is how Homo sapiens emerged in the African continent and how different groups interacted during the Pleistocene before leaving Africa and to disperse in Asia and Europe and all other parts of the globe. And we know that this process of migration has been affected to a certain degree by climate change, but we don't know how and we don't know exactly when. And this is particularly a problem because Africa is a very big continent. So I am doing this because I want to understand how things worked in the interior of South Africa, and then maybe extrapolate from this and contribute to testing Pan-African evolutionary models, so to understand better how humans migrated within Africa before leaving the continent. And an important aspect of this project for today will be to understand how the climate system changed in the past and to better understand how it may change today or in the near future.